In the previous video, we accompanied the rhinoceros, a creature that possesses both primitive strength and a tenacious will to survive in the windy grasslands. But this time, you will meet a different figure, tall, silent, and quietly observing every movement. The giraffe, standing still in the midst of a world that is always moving and full of danger. Click subscribe to explore a quiet yet powerful icon in the unforgiving steppe. Amid the vast savannas of Africa, where wildlife moves in a natural and sometimes harsh rhythm, the giraffe stands as a quiet yet majestic symbol. Impressive with its outstanding height ranging from 4.5 to 6 meters, the animal has the scientific name Giraffe camelopardalis. This is not only the tallest creature on land, but also a vivid testament to the miraculous process of evolution, with its neck alone being able to reach 2.4 meters long. Their leisurely gait, tall body, and long, slender legs help them easily observe predators from a distance. At the same time, it becomes an unmistakable image amid the vivid picture of the African savanna, where every species must adapt to survive and maintain the fragile balance of nature. The heart of an adult deer weighs about 11 kilograms, helping to pump blood effectively to the brain, overcoming the great pressure caused by height. The tongue is nearly 45 centimeters long, flexible, and darkly pigmented, helping giraffes easily reach leaves from tall branches of trees such as acacia or baobab. The body's patches not only serve as camouflage, but also aid in temperature regulation, with a special system of blood vessels located under the skin. Giraffes typically live in loose herds, ranging from a few individuals to more than 20 individuals, which change flexibly depending on environmental conditions. They tend to live in symbiosis with other herbivores, such as antelopes and zebras, to increase their effectiveness as guards. Thanks to their large eyes and outstanding height, giraffes can detect changes from afar, playing an important role in early warning of danger to the entire herd and surrounding species. During the breeding season, females are pregnant for about 15 months and usually give birth to only one calf, which is about 1.8 meters tall at birth. Just hours after birth, fawns can stand and move, important skills that help reduce the risk of attack. Both the mother and other offspring in the litter can take turns providing care, creating a highly cooperative rearing system. Have you ever witnessed such a scene? Leave a comment and share your views. Although it can defend itself with powerful kicks from its hind legs, the giraffe's main strategy is to observe early and avoid approaching. Species such as lions, hyenas, or leopards can usually only target young or weak individuals. The combination of good eyesight, wide field of vision, and quick reaction times helps giraffes stay safe in an ever-changing environment. Ecologically, giraffes contribute to shaping vegetation structure by feeding on leaves in the upper canopy, allowing sunlight to reach the lower parts of the tree. They also aid in seed dispersal through the digestive system, facilitating the growth of many plant species. As a result, giraffes are not only iconic creatures, but also important players in maintaining ecological balance. Today, although giraffes are still common in many areas such as Tanzania, Kenya, South Africa, and Botswana, some subspecies have declined due to habitat loss and population fragmentation. Reserves such as Serengeti, Kruger, and Etosha have implemented many research and monitoring programs to protect this species, while also educating the community about the importance of preserving biodiversity. If the giraffe represents calmness and superior height on the savanna, the zebra carries a special alertness, a herbivore, with a comprehensive vision and the ability to react very quickly to surrounding fluctuations. Nicknamed scientific name A. quagga horse, zebras live in large herds of several dozen to several hundred individuals, often moving with antelopes or buffalo to increase defense effectiveness. The black and white stripes are not only an identification factor, but also serve to confuse predators and regulate body temperature in harsh conditions. An adult individual weighs an average of 300 to 350 kilograms and can run at a speed of approximately 65 km per hour, enough to escape many dangerous situations if detected early. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Continuing that cautious lifestyle, the impala is one of the most common herbivores in southern and East Africa, especially in areas such as the Serengeti or Kruger. Standing about 90 centimeters tall and weighing an average of 40 to 60 kilograms, impalas are famous for their jumping ability. A jump can reach up to 3 meters in height and cover a distance of up to 10 meters. It is this flexibility that helps them avoid many potential dangers when the grasslands become disturbed. Impala herds are typically structured, with a dominant male and several females and young, operating on a day-night cycle to reduce the risk of surprise attacks. Among species that rely on speed and cooperation, the African buffalo stands out for its sturdy build and collective strength. An adult can weigh from 500 to over 900 kilograms, with distinctive, strong, curved horns. Habits usually live in herds of 50 to several hundred individuals, moving continuously along water sources and lush grass. When sensing danger, the buffalo herd often forms a defensive circle, protecting the young individuals in the middle. It is this bond that helps them maintain stability in the face of environmental fluctuations, while limiting the access of predators. At another slice of the ecosystem, warthogs represent impressive adaptations to the dry and challenging lands of Africa. With an average body weight of 50 to 150 kilograms and a body length of about 1.3 meters, this animal possesses characteristic curved fangs and excellent burrowing ability. These burrows are not only used for shelter from harsh weather conditions, but also as a safe place to raise young. Warthogs can live alone or in small groups of 5 to 10 individuals, usually an adult female and her young. Although not as striking in appearance as elephants or ostriches, warthogs are famous for their quick reactions and effective terrain memory. When moving, they often lower their heads and raise their tails vertically, a directional signal that helps group members keep their distance and avoid getting lost. In addition, warthogs also play a role in cleaning habitats by foraging on low-lying trees and plant debris, helping to limit forest fires and maintain ecosystem structure. Along with that, baboon species such as the olive baboon also contribute to the biodiversity of the savanna. Weighing up to 30 kilograms for males and about 15 kilograms for females, this monkey species lives in large groups of 15 to more than 100 individuals, with a clearly hierarchical social structure. They are mainly active during the day, have the ability to climb and move flexibly on the ground. Baboons use vocalizations, facial expressions, and body gestures to communicate, helping to warn of danger from a distance and coordinate movements effectively. The baboon's diet is varied, from fruits, seeds, roots to insects, making them versatile and exploiting natural resources. Furthermore, as they travel between different habitats, they inadvertently disperse seeds and facilitate the regrowth of vegetation in once arid areas. Along the freshwater rivers and lakes of Africa, the Nile crocodile belongs to the 500 kilogram, the largest reptile on the continent, typically 3.5 to 5 meters long and weighing around 500 kilograms. As longtime inhabitants of wetlands and lakes, crocodiles play a role in regulating populations of aquatic animals by regulating density through the food chain. Their strong body structure, thick skin, and special jaws allow them to grasp their prey with great force, up to over 2,000 psi, one of the strongest bite forces ever recorded in the modern animal kingdom. Nile crocodiles have an extremely sensitive ability to sense vibrations on the water surface, thanks to sensory organs in their lower jaw, allowing them to determine the location of objects even when submerged in turbid water. They usually spend most of the day lying motionless along riverbanks to regulate their body temperature, only becoming active when the light is low or the temperature is lower. In addition to their role as biological control, crocodiles also contribute to cleaning the aquatic environment by removing animal carcasses in the wild.